Comparing the survival mechanics of African and Asian elephants. Two giants. One built for the scorching African savanna, the other shaped by the dense forests of Asia. At first glance, they look almost identical. But when survival is on the line, every detail matters. From ear size and tusks to social intelligence and climate adaptation, African and Asian elephants have evolved completely different survival mechanics to dominate their worlds. Today, we're breaking down how these massive animals survive some of the harshest environments on Earth. Body size, survival through scale. The African elephant is the true heavyweight. African savanna elephants can reach up to 13 feet at the shoulder and weigh close to 8,000 kilograms, making them the largest land animals alive. Asian elephants are smaller, usually reaching around 10 to 11.5 feet and weighing significantly less. This size difference is not random. For African elephants, massive size is a survival weapon. In the open savanna, where visibility is high and predators like lions exist, sheer bulk makes adults nearly untouchable. A fully grown African elephant has almost no natural predators. Asian elephants, on the other hand, evolved in forests and grasslands where agility matters more than pure size. Their slightly smaller bodies allow them to move more efficiently through dense vegetation. Ears, built-in cooling systems. One of the biggest survival adaptations is their ears. African elephants have those iconic giant ears. And it's not just for looks. Their ears act like biological cooling fans. Blood vessels run close to the surface, and when they flap their ears, heat escapes rapidly. This is essential in the extreme African heat. Asian elephants have much smaller ears because forest habitats provide more shade and cooler conditions. They simply don't need the same level of heat dissipation. This is survival engineering at its best. Trunk mechanics, precision versus power. The trunk is one of the most advanced survival tools in the animal kingdom. African elephants have two finger-like projections at the tip of the trunk. Asian elephants have one. This changes how they feed. African elephants are highly adapted for plucking grasses, stripping bark, and grabbing leaves with precision. Asian elephants often wrap the trunk around food more flexibly, which works better in dense forest environments. This means their trunks evolved around habitat needs. Open grassland versus jungle survival. Tusks, tools for survival. Tusks are not just weapons. They are survival equipment. African elephants use tusks for digging for water, stripping bark, moving obstacles, defense, fighting rivals. Both males and females can grow tusks. Asian elephants are different. Usually only males have prominent tusks. Because forest survival relies more on maneuverability than large-scale digging, tusks became less universally necessary. Social survival, intelligence and herd defense. This is where elephants become next level. Both species survive through highly intelligent herd systems. The herd is led by a matriarch. She remembers migration routes, water sources, predator zones, seasonal changes. This memory can literally save the herd during drought. Older females pass survival knowledge across generations. For calves, survival depends almost entirely on herd protection. When danger appears, adults form a living shield around the young. This social intelligence is one of the greatest survival mechanics elephants possess. Habitat strategy, open savanna versus dense forest. African elephants are masters of the open world. They can travel huge distances across dry landscapes, searching for food and water. Their survival depends on endurance and memory. Asian elephants are forest specialists. They move through jungles, bamboo thickets, wetlands, and mountain foothills. This environment demands quieter movement, better maneuverability, stronger route memory through dense terrain. Same family, completely different survival blueprint. Climate survival. African elephants often deal with brutal drought conditions. They can detect underground water and use tusks and feet to dig dry riverbeds. Asian elephants face monsoon cycles, steep terrain, and thick vegetation. Their survival is more tied to seasonal forest resources. This difference shows how evolution custom-built each species for its environment. Closing. So while both are giants, their survival mechanics tell two different stories. The African elephant is a powerhouse built for heat, scale, and endurance. The Asian elephant is a strategist shaped by forests, flexibility, and terrain intelligence. Two giants, two ecosystems, two masterpieces of evolution.